Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves rolling onto the shore. You open the door of your motorhome, step outside with a fresh cup of coffee in your hands, and watch the sunrise slowly paint the sky with beautiful shades of orange and gold. There are no hotel check-ins, no crowded resorts, and no strict schedules to follow. Just the open road, endless freedom, and the ability to wake up wherever your heart desires. For many travelers, this is the ultimate dream, and today we're taking a closer look at a motorhome that turns that dream into reality. Meet the Blucamp Ocean 12, a compact yet incredibly capable motorhome designed specifically for couples who want comfort, convenience, and adventure all wrapped into one stylish package. Despite its compact dimensions, this motorhome manages to offer everything needed for unforgettable journeys, proving that you don't need a giant RV to experience luxury travel on the road. At first glance, the Blucamp Ocean 12 immediately captures attention with its modern and elegant appearance. Unlike larger motorhomes that can sometimes feel overwhelming to drive and park, this model strikes a perfect balance between practicality and style. Its sleek body design gives it a contemporary look while maintaining excellent maneuverability, making it ideal for everything from scenic coastal drives to mountain adventures and countryside escapes. The clean exterior lines, attractive graphics, and large windows create a premium appearance that stands out wherever it goes. As you walk around the vehicle, it becomes clear that every detail has been carefully designed with travelers in mind. Storage compartments are conveniently placed around the exterior, allowing you to carry outdoor equipment, camping gear, folding chairs, and all the essentials needed for extended trips. An exterior awning further enhances the experience by creating a comfortable outdoor living space where you can relax, enjoy meals, or simply sit back and admire the view after a day of exploring. Stepping inside reveals one of the most impressive aspects of the Blucamp Ocean 12. Despite a compact footprint, the interior feels surprisingly open and welcoming. Large windows allow natural light to flood the cabin throughout the day, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that immediately makes the space feel larger than expected. The thoughtful layout maximizes every inch of available room without ever feeling cramped. This is one of the greatest strengths of the Ocean 12. It demonstrates how intelligent design can transform a compact motorhome into a comfortable home on wheels. The main living area serves as the heart of the vehicle, offering a cozy environment where travelers can relax after a long day on the road. Comfortable seating provides a perfect place to enjoy morning coffee, plan upcoming destinations, watch a movie in the evening, or simply unwind while taking in the scenery outside. The dining table is positioned perfectly for two people, creating a practical and inviting space for meals throughout the day. Whether you're parked beside a peaceful lake, overlooking the ocean, or surrounded by mountains, this area becomes a perfect place to enjoy those unforgettable travel moments. The kitchen area continues the theme of intelligent design and practicality. For a motorhome of this size, the level of functionality is truly impressive. Everything has been arranged to provide maximum usability while maintaining a clean and organized appearance. The cooking area allows travelers to prepare everything from quick breakfasts before hitting the road to full dinners after a day of adventure. Counter space is efficiently utilized, making food preparation convenient despite the compact dimensions. Storage cabinets provide ample room for groceries, cookware, dishes, and kitchen essentials, ensuring that longer journeys remain comfortable and self-sufficient. A refrigerator keeps food fresh and drinks cold, allowing travelers to spend more time exploring and less time searching for restaurants or grocery stores. There is something incredibly rewarding about preparing your own meal while parked in a beautiful location, and the Ocean 12 makes that experience both practical and enjoyable. As you move further into the motorhome, the sleeping area showcases another example of thoughtful design. After a full day of exploring new destinations, a comfortable place to rest becomes one of the most important features of any motorhome. Fortunately, the Blucamp Ocean 12 delivers exactly that. The sleeping area offers a cozy and inviting environment designed to provide a restful night's sleep wherever your travels take you. The bed is positioned to maximize both comfort and accessibility, while nearby storage compartments provide convenient space for clothing and personal belongings. Soft lighting helps create a relaxing atmosphere in the evening, transforming the area into a peaceful retreat after a busy day on the road. One of the most appealing aspects of this setup is the sense of privacy and comfort it offers. Rather than feeling like a temporary sleeping arrangement, it feels like a genuine bedroom designed specifically for life on the road. The bathroom is another area where the Ocean 12 exceeds expectations. Compact motorhomes often require compromises when it comes to bathroom facilities, but this model manages to provide a practical and comfortable solution. Having a private bathroom significantly improves the travel experience, offering convenience and independence wherever you go. Whether you're parked at a campsite, exploring remote destinations, or enjoying a weekend getaway, having access to your own facilities adds an extra level of comfort that many travelers quickly come to appreciate. The efficient layout ensures that every element serves its purpose while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. Storage throughout the vehicle deserves special recognition because it plays such an important role in everyday travel. Long-term adventures require space for clothing, equipment, electronics, supplies, and countless other essentials. The designers of the Ocean 12 clearly understood this challenge, incorporating clever storage solutions throughout the interior. Cabinets, overhead compartments, hidden spaces, and dedicated storage areas help keep everything organized and easily accessible. This contributes significantly to the overall comfort of the motorhome, allowing travelers to enjoy a clean and clutter-free living environment no matter how long their journey lasts. Simply put, it's an impressive compact motorhome designed perfectly for couples. It offers comfort, convenience, smart design, and the freedom to explore without compromise. Whether you're traveling along the coastline, discovering mountain roads, or escaping into nature for the weekend, the Blucamp Ocean 12 proves that luxury travel doesn't need a massive footprint. It's a home on wheels built for unforgettable adventures, endless discoveries, and the simple joy of following the open road wherever it leads.